Hydranautics, a globally recognized manufacturing leader in the water treatment and membrane separations industry, uses the cutting-edge advantages of science and technology to tap into unused resources to improve and protect the quality of life around the world. Headquartered in Oceanside, California, Hydranautics is an industry leader in membrane technology. Nitto was started in 1918, producing electrical insulation materials. It now has over 114 companies in more than 20 countries, with over 27,000 employees worldwide. Nitto is a flexible technology company with a global niche top market strategy that has several disciplines centered on film sciences. Hydranautics is a vital member of Nitto global membrane division. Our alliance with this global film industry giant boosts Hydranautics to a superior level of technological sophistication, product performance and customer response. Together, Nitto and Hydranautics have filed more patents in membrane technologies than any of our competitors. These patents improve interfacial coating and composite membrane performance and refine the reverse osmosis process for specific applications. Hydranautics headquarters is located adjacent to Nitto dedicated research and development facility opened in 2005. Hydranautics forms 1/3 of Nitto global membrane division, consisting of 3 production plants. We also have strategically located warehouses, sales offices and technical service centers around the world. Hydranautics' main manufacturing facility in Oceanside, California is over 160,000 square feet, residing on 14 acres. With unparalleled production capabilities, Hydranautics' 3 facilities produce more 8-inch elements than any other membrane manufacturer. To create products of consistent high quality and performance, Hydranautics uses the latest in automation technologies in our manufacturing processes, including flat sheet casting, auto preparation, sonic welding, and gluing robotics. We are one of the only membrane manufacturers to wet test 100% of their spiral wound elements. Wet testing is the only method to validate product performance. Only Hydranautics can guarantee the flow and rejection rate of each element we produce, because we choose comprehensive testing over the random statistical sampling practices of our competitors. Hard science proves that it is both flow and rejection that determine the performance caliber of an element. As industry-wide technology has increased general element flow, only Hydranautics has at the same time maintained high rejection, benefiting directly from Nitto research and production innovations in interfacial surface coating. High flow and rejection, along with element aging, are all key factors in achieving low life cycle costs. Our 3 manufacturing locations collaborate to make the best possible global sourcing alliances. Once purchased, Hydranautics' QA/QC department inspects each raw material lot for quality before it enters the production stream. We are committed to quality and product consistency. Hydranautics is one of the few membrane manufacturers with an ISO 9001-2000 certified quality management system. We also have certifications for drinking water standards around the world, including NSF, DWI and Kiwa. Hydranautics process separation elements meet all FDA, USDA and 3A standards for food and dairy products. Hydranautics is the recognized leader in seawater desalination, producing a wide range of elements that offer the highest levels of salt and boron rejection, high flow rates and providing low energy consumption. Our innovative membrane technologies can lower desalination operating pressures by 5% or more, saving millions of dollars over a 20-year plant life. Hydranautics supplied over 21,000 8-inch reverse osmosis elements for the 45 million gallons per day Fujairah seawater desalination plant in the United Arab Emirates. Hydranautics desalinates over 350 million gallons per day of seawater worldwide. Some of our other seawater plant references include Los Cabos, Antofagasta, Marbella, Las Palmas III, Kindasa, Algeria, Almeria, Cartagena and Carboneras. For brackish feedwater applications, Hydranautics offers a broad line of low-pressure spiral-wound elements for maximum energy savings. For the high-purity product water, Hydranautics offers high-rejection brackish spiral-wound elements. And for nanofiltration brackish feedwater applications, Hydranautics offers low-fouling, energy-saving ESNA elements for salt-laden high-organic well water. Hydranautics is a preferred supplier in the treatment of wastewater reuse applications for Singapore, supplying elements for the Newater Bedok and Kranji water reclamation plants with a combined capacity of 21.5 million gallons per day. In early 2006, Hydranautics was again selected by Singapore to provide 9,100 ESPA 2+ elements to the 44 million gallons per day Ulu Pandan secondary effluent wastewater project. This is the fourth and largest Newater project for indirect potable reuse and industrial water applications. Our ESNA elements have been chosen by numerous large-scale plants in Florida, including the 40 million gallons per day Boca Raton plant, one of the largest nanofiltration plants in the world. Some of our worldwide projects for brackish feedwaters include Fort Lauderdale, Orange County Water District, North Miami Beach, West Basin Municipal District, Wichita Falls, Deerfield Beach, Irvine Ranch and Pompano Beach. Our innovations are not just limited to typical water treatment products. Hydranautics provides an extensive series of membranes for specialty process applications. Our dairy RO line is used in the concentration of whey in dairy cheese plants, while Dairy UF captures whey protein concentrates for use in food additives and nutraceuticals. SAN RO is specifically utilized in pharmaceutical water production, and Supro is used in the corn wet milling industry to clarify dextrose. Other applications include maple sap concentration, wine and beverage processing, recovery for enamel and petroleum-based paints, machine tool coolants, and other specialized filtrate needs. Projection software has become a critical tool for design engineers. Our user-friendly integrated membrane solutions software provides sophisticated, experience-driven algorithms to meet filtration and life cycle cost objectives. Customers can access Nitto Denko and Hydranautics technical experts through telephone, email, and on-site collaboration around the world, around the clock. Hydranautics also offers ongoing technical support contracts for all projects. Water is our Earth's most precious resource. Current World Health Organization data shows that 99% of our water is unsafe or unavailable to drink or use for life-improving processes. As the world's population grows, demands for clean water are increasing dramatically. To keep pace with these surging needs, we must reclaim, reuse, and recycle water. Our reverse osmosis and nanofiltration elements are in use worldwide in a variety of applications, producing over 1.2 billion gallons of clean water per day. Nitto Denko and Hydranautics harness their innovations, experience, commitment to technical and customer support, and environmental responsibility with one goal in mind. Nitto Denko and Hydranautics. Together, we make life better. To create our standard spiral wound membranes, we construct the flat sheet membrane using Hydranautics automated casting equipment. We begin the process with a fabric support base and then coat it with a microporous polysulfone layer. This provides additional support for the top 0.2 micron thick membrane barrier layer. This top barrier layer makes the actual separation to purify the water. The semi-permeable polyamide layer consists of a thin film of polymeric material a few thousand angstroms thick, formed on a porous supporting material. The semi-permeable membrane skin is formed on the polysulfone substrate by interfacial polymerization of monomers containing amine and carboxylic acid chloride functional groups. Hydranautics' manufacturing procedure enables independent optimization of the distinct properties of the membrane support and salt-rejecting skin. The combination of these three layers makes a durable membrane flat sheet that is used in each spiral wound element. The membrane flat sheet is then combined with a sheet of feed channel spacer. This provides turbulence and creates space between the membrane sheets to allow uniform flow of the water to the entire membrane surface. The leaves of membrane and feed channel spacer are then combined with a sheet of permeate spacer, which provides open flow channels for the permeate even under high pressure. The leaves are glued along each of the three exposed sides and then rolled around the core tube. With the back of the membrane completely sealed to the edges of the permeate spacer, the feed water is forced through the feed channel spacer, contacting the front or barrier layer of the membrane. Clean water, or permeate, passes through the membrane surface into the permeate channel and then flows in a spiral direction to the center of the element and is collected into the core tube. Hydranautics spiral wound elements can then be loaded into pressure vessels and interconnected with additional elements to complete any number of design specifications. Once the end adapter is connected to the last element and the pressure vessel is sealed, feed water can be introduced and then treated. The feed water that does not permeate through the membrane becomes enriched in salts as it travels through the feed channel spacer due to permeate water being removed. Typically, 8 to 10% of the water is removed in one 40-inch long membrane element. The permeate water then flows out the end of the vessel and is collected as the product. And the reject or concentrate from that vessel may then flow through another vessel producing more permeate. The remaining concentrate may then be disposed of as waste or partially recycled as the feed. Typically, 70 to 90% of the water can be recovered as pure product water.